Chen Chu, born January 15, 1979, is a Taiwanese singer and actor. He is known for his time as a member of Taiwanese boy group F4, as well as his work in solo music, film, and television. Chu was born in Taipei, Taiwan. Raised by a single mother, he was sent to Singapore to attend Boon Lay Secondary School. He returned to Taiwan at the age of 17. Chu worked as a waiter in Taiwan until he was discovered by TV producer Chai Jieping, who was working on the television series Meteor Garden 2001. Meteor Garden and its sequel, Meteor Garden, became Chu's breakthrough role. The drama was a massive success across Asia. Today, the series is credited with the establishment of the idol drama genre. Chu and his 3 co-stars formed the boy band F4, named after the fictional group from the show. F4 signed a record deal with Sony Music Taiwan and released their debut album, Meteor Rain, in 2001. The following year, they released their second album, Fantasy Forever. Chu lived in Beijing, China, where he opened an antique shop, but decided to close it in the late 2010s. In 2014, Chu was enrolled as an undergraduate of Department of Directing at the Beijing Film Academy. Chu graduated with a master's degree in retail management from the NEOMA Business School in collaboration with University of International Business and Economics in 2019. Chu moved back to Taiwan before the COVID-19 pandemic. In a 2021 interview, Chu stated that he was the least successful member of F4, revealing that he had little to no income in Taiwan over the past 2 years. Chu has primarily focused on creating online content, including travel shows and e-commerce. F4 reunited in July 2025 for a surprise performance and announced a reunion concert tour not long afterward. Due to a contract disagreement with F4's management label Bin Music, she was not invited to participate, the only of the 4 singers to be excluded. Personal life. From February 2003 to April 2005, Chu was in a relationship with actress Mai Sato until he was photographed having a hotel fling with actress Li Bingbing. From 2006 to 2011, Chu was in a relationship with actress Kelly Lin. In 2015, Chu met Han Wenwen, his co-star on The Dream Come True. They married in 2016. Chu suffers from fibromyalgia, a condition that causes chronic pain across the body. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.